Good morning. I'm First Alert meteorologist Brittany Rainey. You may have gotten woken up by storms this morning. There are quite a few of them across North Texas, and some of them have been producing some small hail, but do have that potential to produce quarter-size hail, which is why we're waking up to the severe thunderstorm watch until noon across all of North Texas. But as we look further down to the southeast, that's where we see a tornado watch into parts of East Texas, Louisiana, into Mississippi. That runs until 3 o'clock. They've already had tornado warnings into parts of Louisiana, and it's very likely we're going to see a tornado outbreak in those areas later today. That's as the system is moving out of our area. That tornado threat is very low for us. We're just worried about that quarter-size hail. You can see a line of storms developing just off to the east of 35, just west of 35, and that is going to be tracking east over towards the Waco area here in the next couple of minutes. But we've been watching this thunderstorm in Ellis County. It's tracking off to the northeast at about 40 miles an hour, headed up towards DeSoto. Waxahachie has already seen a couple of rounds of rain. That's going to continue to be the case until we get into the midday hours. And then some scattered showers from Rice, Gun Barrel City, back towards Athens, Moore Station, Brownsboro. All of this is sub-severe, but you are going to see a good deal of lightning with it, get some pretty heavy downpours. And then just to the north, we have widespread moderate to heavy rain from Greenville up to Cooper, Sulphur Springs. Notice we are getting some lightning strikes just north of West Tawakoni as well. And here's that line that I was telling you about near Meridian and Clifton. This is going to continue to track east, so heads up right along 35 from Grandview, Hillsboro west. You guys are going to see more showers and storms on the way before this line finally clears out. But the good news is it is going to clear out. It's not going to stick around all day. As we get closer to 1 to 2 o'clock, notice a lot of the activity is in East Texas. We're already seeing some sunshine in our western areas around Graham and Breckenridge. Some clouds but dry along 35W. So Fort Worth, we may even get a little bit of sunshine before that sun sets today. But then notice on the backside of this system, an isolated shower or storm is possible north of I-20. That would not be severe. Most of us are going to dry out after 2 o'clock, but along the Red River, you still could get an evening shower. We have definitely gotten a good soaking across Fort Worth. Still some raindrops on the camera lens there, but our temperatures are going to warm up into the mid to upper 60s this afternoon. Those rain chances really tapering off. And then overnight, with all the additional moisture that we have, we're likely going to wake up to that patchy dense fog, especially east of 35. Temperatures are going to be in the 40s. And then tomorrow afternoon, we're looking at temperatures climbing into the lower 70s. And if you think that's warm by December standards, almost into January, look at Monday, 79 degrees. That's out ahead of a strong cold front, but we could be ringing in the new year in the 30s in some areas. And then we're going to stay with seasonal temperatures for the first week of 2025. But we will continue